How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode, I'm gonna show you something that I don't know if it's a thing, but I saw this on Facebook a couple weeks ago, and I was curious, so I wanna try it today. Today, we wanna clean the tires, but let me show you right now. In here, I have multiple products just to do cleaning, to clean the tires, to clean the car. But this time I'm gonna try something, and I don't know if it's gonna work. Some people said that it works on the car, so let me show you what I'm gonna do. Coke and Dawn, they say that this is supposed to clean your tires really good. If you can see this tire, it has a lot of mud on it, and it's pretty nasty. You can see right there. So I don't know if this is a thing. They say it cleans really good. Clean bucket. And this episode is not sponsored, guys. As you guys know, I pay for everything with my own money. So let's open the Coke. We're gonna put half of this 2-liter Coke. Okay, that'll do it. And done. So that's the solution right there. Let's get the solution ready. Because last time that I cleaned my tires, it was a lot of mud on this one and it didn't remove it. So that's why I wanted to try this, see if the tire get perfectly clean. You can see the whole tire is done. Let me go one more time and then go to the rear one and then hose it off, and after that just clean it or let it get dry, and then when I see the end result. So we're gonna let the solution sit for a couple minutes, rinse it off, and then we're gonna see the results. I don't know if the camera can notice this, but I still see a lot of mud on there, on that area. So I'm gonna go one more time on this tire. So I wait like 5 minutes. Now, after the second round, let's go and see. To be honest, guys, I think they lie too much on the internet. I still see a lot of mud on this side. Maybe I need a stronger brush because mine is kind of soft. But to be honest, I think the tire looks the same. So let me get it dry. Okay guys, so the tire is done. But you can see right there, you can see all the mud still on that side too. See that right there? I don't know. But let's wait a little bit more. Maybe when it gets a little bit more dry, we're gonna see better results. But for what I can see, I don't know. You be the judge. Maybe some people use different brush. But for what I see, I did the same that the people was doing on that little clip on Facebook. But if you can see right there, didn't do anything. And I brushed this tire twice. Okay guys, if you can see, the tire is still really dirty on top. It's not shiny and really clean after all. So I think Coke and soap is a lie. You can see when it gets dry now. You can see that area right there. It's still really dirty. And you saw me going twice on the tire, try to clean it, but I guess it's not a thing. It doesn't do anything. It didn't clean it. Maybe I did some wrong. I don't think so. I saw some people doing it and they say that it was awesome, that the Coke and soap can do all these things, can do this trick and get this thing really clean. But tires look the same to me. It didn't do anything. So I leave you with that one. Maybe you tried it before and it works for you. Let me know in the comments if that works for you, but for me, it didn't do anything. So let me show you again. You see all that area after the tire completely dry? Tire is perfectly dry in the sidewall and still a mess right there. Well, I guess it's not a thing. So Coke and soap didn't do anything. Okay guys, and just to finish, you see it didn't work, but I leave that off to you. If you have any comments, suggestions, I can try something else to clean my tires, because I tried to clean that tire exactly that one a couple times already and I still can remove the mud out of it. And just to finish, for the updates, I still have tires. I was supposed to do an episode with one of my tires. I haven't get to it yet. Weather, timing, and work. I've been really busy with my job, with my two jobs actually. That's why I haven't finished what I'm supposed to finish. You see here on the core, I have the old tire right there, and I have my new one. I'm gonna do something with them, but I still, like I said, timing. Hopefully next week I get those done. And another update, bumper is finished. And if you haven't checked my episode where I make this one white turn signal, I'm gonna put it right here for my guys on YouTube so you guys can check it out. Couple little updates. A lot of things are coming. I still have a lot of parts just waiting because I don't have the time and the right weather. Kind of like right now I'm looking into prices to rent a warehouse, little small shops, so I can have my headquarters in there, so I can do my episodes without any problems like weather. When it's too cold, when it's too hot, when it's raining, I can't do the stuff that I need to do. But I'm looking into that. Another thing that I've been talking to my wife, we're looking into move to Germany. Maybe that's a thing. Not for now, but a few more years, we're looking into moving to that and grow the channel on that area right there. So for now, that's the little updates that I have for you guys. I hope you like this episode. So there you have it. I'm recording right now with my Sony. I know the last episode when I put those LEDs on that Challenger, audio was terrible. And I kind of I don't like GoPros because of that, because audio is really bad on it. But the thing, it was really bad because I didn't remove the case from my GoPro. So I thought it was gonna be a good idea doing it with the small one so I can put it underneath. Unfortunately, I didn't have a lot of room to record putting those LEDs because it was difficult to put the camera in there. But other than that, I'm gonna be recording on my Sony because the audio, image, everything is really good on my Sony. And hopefully I don't have that problem again with audio. So guys, there you have it for this one. That's the little update that I have on everything that is going on. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. So there you have it for this one, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.